Good morning everyone, we are in Kanchanaburi right now on the bicycle and we are just riding around the town and are going to the bridge. This is very nice. We got this one from our hotel for free. Do you like it, Fleur? Yes, it's really nice. You got a little bit of wind. Let's go! We also had a very good breakfast this morning. And I mean, how more Dutch can we be? Two Dutchies in Thailand on the bike. We took the wrong turn from the hotel, so 5 minutes extra cardio. We are on this beautiful bridge right now.
Wow.
It looks nice, right?
Really nice.
Yeah, and we are going that way. And there, oh, you can already see a statue. There's the bridge we are heading to. It's a bridge that has something to do with the war. And maybe we are also going to a museum right here. So I'm curious. Look how beautiful it is here. And it's so calm. There are not a lot of cars around this area. And it is Tuesday. And we don't have to work. Life is so much better here in Thailand than in the Netherlands. In the Netherlands it's probably raining right now. And look where I'm at right now. This is amazing. Having the best time of my life. Nice helicopter. Oh, 2 helicopters. Wow. So cool. I think it's the army. We already see the bridge right here. We're standing in the shadow right now because it is so hot. It's hot, right? Yeah. You're so tall on the bike.
Yeah.
It are tiny bikes.
Sorry.
It's really nice, but there's no one here. Everyone is on that side of the bridge. It's not too busy. Okay, let's find a way to get there. You can see that it is dry season here in Thailand. Summer it's really hot.
Wait.
What? What? Yeah, this is the bridge. This is the bridge. Maybe we can stop there. There's a train passing by. Cool. Taking a pineapple smoothie right now here. This pineapple shake is perfect. It's so good. Look how huge this is. Honestly, this is like super huge. I will do with this. It's huge. Put it next to your head, Fleur. Holy moly. And this was only 100 baht, so that's like €2.80 for 2 of these huge things. I mean, wow. Kap kun kap. We are entering the train rail right now. This is amazing. This is very cool. I never did this in my life. Very nice view over here. So during World War II in 1942 and 1943, there were around 100,000 people working here under pressure, without food, without drinks, really tough conditions. And around 30,000 people I think died. Also Dutch people, also people from England, Europe, whatever. And a lot of Asians as well. So it was crazy times. And now we are going to the Death Rail Museum, which is like 10 minutes, 15 minutes on the bike. We arrived at the museum. It is right here. And this is a cemetery where a lot of people are buried. So let's find out where we can put our bikes and enter. Okay, I couldn't film inside. It was really impressive. It was very nice. Let's get back on the bike. We are in the 7-Eleven again, getting a nice toasty because I'm hungry. It's time to take a dip in the swimming pool. Salt water. It is really hot today. We are walking to the night market again because we are hungry, and I'm gonna look for some new flippers and nails for our sister. Today we both got the passion fruit juice. It's really good, and we both got this one. Round 2, the chicken with rice for me and some sushi. It's not too busy yet. It's like 5:30 or something.
Smerig.
I found the same flip-flops as I got. Ooh, hopefully it's in my size. I got the same ones. Yeah, only 100 baht. 2 years I've waited for these in Krabi. You got the monkey store right here. So man is gonna sleep real good tonight, boys. This is the new bandana I bought. Real nice. Some special Thai cookies. They are really good. And very nice flip-flops, the same like 2 years ago in Krabi. And tomorrow we are going to do a tour to the waterfalls and the temple. So make sure to subscribe and see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.